This one for the record, January 31st, 2022. And this is Central Florida, Space Coast, Florida. Wow. Look at that. It's pretty thick. A lot of things have iced up. Crazy. It is about 8 o'clock in the morning. Yes. Down here it's all over the grass. A lot of ice, frost. It killed some of my plants. I covered a lot of them, but like this, see how it turns it black? It kills the banana plants. They melt. They turn black, they freeze, and then they start melting. Alrighty then. Be prepared for anything. Don't leave your animals out at night. Bring them in. Stock up on food for your pets and yourself, especially your pets. Don't let them run it. And don't let them go outside for any long period of time, even in the morning. Take them out, bring them back in. All right then, be prepared for anything. Stay safe. Central Florida, Space Coast, Florida.